Hiya, it's Richard here from Williams Crawford. Got the Group 4 car out. So its last outing was Castle Combe single venue rally back in November 2025. And its first outing this year, it's heading off to the Isle of Wight. So next weekend, the 15th, Sunday the 15th. And that's a closed road rally. Well worth the travel. Good people out in the Isle of Wight, and we've got really friendly with them at both the Eiffel Rally, up at Castle Combe, out at Goodwood, where we do a single venue. So they've invited us out. Two of us are going out, myself and Dave Moore. He's taking his Mark II Escort, cheating car, but we won't go mentioning that. And we're also taking the Porsche. Couple of differences, all repaired and back together. Unfortunately at Castle Combe, I did manage to run through a chicane. We had to straighten the wing, repair all the bumper, the valance, replace the wheel arch, and we've gone for white wheel arches. It's more, it's the correct coloration for the car copy. The Eminence copy did have white arches, although I did them red because I liked it to start with. So it's got to go and get re-liveried. So on the car itself, it's got Robbie Sanford's name. I'm actually going with his dad, Paul Sanford, this time. So bit of a family thing going on. So that's next weekend, and very much looking forward to it. Apart from the bodywork, we have rebuilt the gearbox, and Graham in-house 915 gearbox. We fitted the Wevo strengthening kit, and that will be in like a little separate snippets within this video. To stop the gear trains being moved apart, you put in this strengthener plate. Also the Wevo gate change within the gearbox to make the shift very, very direct. You can see the difference between the old warranty and now that we've swapped in a good second-hand shaft.
And the other upgrade we've done is this plate here retains the two bearings. So obviously your engine drives in through here, through your gears, and then out through the pinion onto your differential. And with these, as you can see, they're a split cover, so it's all nice and strong. But if the more and more horsepower you put through this, the more and more that's going to want to try and force itself apart. And on a magnesium case, you tend to find that the bearing in the case can oval and wear out, and then the bearing spins in the case, and you end up with all kinds of problems. So what we've done is we've put in the reinforcing plate here, which is one piece, so it holds it all together, and obviously puts less load on the bearings because this is taking all the load. So that's two, good strong fixes for this box.
And if you could, just inside the car, we've replaced the original change with a billet changer. It is a J West kit. It's their Ren Sport kit, and you can fine tune it. It's absolutely delightful. About 1.5 inches longer, so it feels more comfortable in the change, and the directness and the quality of the change, chalk and cheese. So very much looking forward to trying that out. Other than winter service, new tires again, a little bit different on the setup. We can run the car a lot lower because Isle of Wight roads, I think there's 2 jumps on the bridges, but I hear a rumour that they're going to put a chicane in front of them to take a bit of speed off the car. We will be running the light pod because this time of year it goes into the dark. It's not actually a night stage, but it does go later in the day. So getting close, fairly much ready for the whole experience. I'm very much looking forward to it. We'll do some obviously footage and videos when we're out there. But yeah, looking forward to it and ready to go. Thank you.